Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the Surveyor Legends Series 19 RB. Kind of a newer floor plan, newer thing for Surveyor is going down trying out these new single axles. They came out actually about a year or two ago, and they've kind of honed in, dialed in on the floor plans, and they have some awesome features. One thing with Surveyor is you're going to notice generally they're not the cheapest trailer on the market, and there's a lot of reasons for that. Some of the main reasons for that is the construction, okay? So on all kind of levels, Surveyor is a step above a lot of the competition. Starting at the roof, they don't use rubber or TPO. They use what's called PVC for the roof. PVC requires no treatments for its entire lifespan, unlike rubber. It'll never streak or chalk on you. It's a lot more resistant to tearing and things like that. And basically one of the big advantages to you, other than maintenance, is that it reflects heat a lot better as well. So whereas rubber roof and even TPO to an extent absorbs a lot of heat, the PVC reflects it back off a lot more efficiently. So that's one of the kind of the nice benefits of the Surveyor. They build their walls with a fully caged aluminum frame. So the rear walls, the slide out side walls, all of that is all fully laminated. All your windows are framed out, all openings, baggage doors, your main door, where your fridge is, everything has its own framing. So there's a lot of structural integrity to these walls that some of the competition just doesn't do. They don't spend the money on it. The walls are also built with Azdel. So instead of having the Luan panel that they've used for years, Luan is like a thin board of wood that they bond this fiberglass to and glue it to. They use this material called Azdel. A lot of information out there, but basically the short version of it is it's about 50% the weight of Luan, so it brings the overall weight of the trailer down. It reflects sound better, so inside the trailer will be a bit quieter. It's also impervious to water. So if you do get a leak down the line for whatever reason that may be, the Azdel is impervious to it. So the water will just run along the side of it. It won't swell or anything like that, and ultimately cause a delamination in your wall. So huge benefits to Azdel. It really is the future of trailers. And all these types of things kind of help Surveyor be a step above. So starting with some of the awesome features on the outside of the Surveyor, you'll notice the pet-friendly sticker. So it does come with little doggy bowls in the pass-through storage. All the Surveyors come with that now. Full pass-through storage, the large baggage doors, that goes right through the trailer. All Surveyors do a power tongue jack up front as well. Got a nice full-size power awning. So one thing that's kind of unique about the Surveyor is they do the LED light strip in the awning roll. So when that comes out, you can aim the awning lights towards the coach, away from the coach, whatever you want. Underneath, you have your LP Quick Connect. So you can connect a barbecue to that, feed off your propane up front for barbecuing. Surveyor also uses, in addition to kind of all that stuff with the construction, they use the Lion's Head tires. They are nitro filled, okay, so they have a longer warranty on them, basically an upgraded tire. Friction hinge door. And let's go inside and check out the floor plan. All right, welcome inside. So really nice interiors. Surveyor has never shied away from, being a standout of the look and the colors and the feel. Hidden hinges across the board on all cabinetry. You can see they do little things like the struts. Everything has a very, very solid feel to it, okay? So everything snaps shut nicely, very high quality. Everything shuts good. Sink covers, so you can use these kind of as a dish rack as well. 2-burner stove, microwave underneath, very residential feeling, okay? Full-size fridge. When I say full-size, I mean an 8 cubic foot fridge. So you don't see too many single axles out there with this size of refrigerator. It has a whole extra shelf compared to a lot of the competition. Stuff like air conditioning is of course standard in all Surveyors. You got the full-size queen bed up at the front, closets on either side. And we always say at the dealership, Surveyors have the best bedrooms. Why? You're gonna see things like on the sides of the bed, little nightstands, little outlets, cup holders for your morning coffee, or at night if you have a glass of water by your bed, whatever the case is. And of course the front window, which they're now putting in all their floor plans. Really cool. Nice kind of accent with the wood tones, cross windows everywhere, storage underneath the bed, of course. And then this particular model features the dinette slide. So very spacious in here. We're only at about 22, 23 feet total. Big window, storage underneath. And that lifts up on top. Pantry back here. Okay, so tons of storage space, drawer underneath. And this is an RB, so a rear bath floor plan. So full-size shower, paneling goes all the way up to the roof. Again, they don't cut any corners. Skylight, vent fan, vanity, and tons of storage. That's all a big storage compartment or wardrobe, however you want to use it. So there's lots to see in the Surveyor. You know, not all of it is surface level, so make sure you really do your research on the construction. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time. Hi everybody, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you can stay on top of all our trailer demos, our walkthroughs, upcoming promotions here at Arcan Trailer. I'm Mike, I'll catch you next time.